So it's Emily's original, and I'm outside because I have a life now, and I decided to be like everybody else to make a video outside. It's cold out, it looks nice, but believe me, it's not. And you wouldn't believe me, because our trees around here look like freaking trees you would see in the North Pole. Like, not even joking. Like, look over there. And over there. Like, it's crazy. So you wouldn't believe me that it's summer. But it is. Well, actually, it's August 5th. But I consider that summer. Because it is. It's just really cold. It's more like spring out here than summer. And I have a theory. Well, actually, a lady I babysit for has a theory that it's going to be hot in September and October. Which is possible. I don't know if you can hear the train, but there's a train going by. Scared the neighbors outside. I hate them. They're really mean. They like, you don't even know. They tell my dad, like, when we misbehave and stuff. Like, I understand it's because we're young and we learn from mistakes, but you know, don't tell my dad everything. On the bright side, there's the train. I get the bottom off. Oh, also, somebody around here, well, not necessarily around here, but kind of near here, like, well, yeah, it's around here. I live in a somewhat different town, but it's not exactly the different town, because all you have to do is travel, like, 2 miles, and you're in that town, but, well, 5 miles to get into the city. Some guy tried committing suicide. Yeah, on the train tracks. It's retarded, I know, but you know, I guess if you really want to end your life that bad. He didn't die, but now he's just suffering, so he ruined it for himself. I don't know why I just talked about that, but I'm ending this video now.